Installation and deployment of IBM Guardium involves several steps, including hardware and software requirements, configuration, and integration with other systems. Here are some key steps for installing and deploying IBM Guardium. Ensure that the system meets the hardware and software requirements for installing and deploying IBM Guardium. This includes server hardware, operating system, network bandwidth, and storage capacity. Before installing IBM Guardium, perform pre-installation tasks, such as creating user accounts, configuring network settings, and setting up database servers. Install the IBM Guardium software on the designated server or appliance, following the installation guide provided by IBM. Configure the necessary settings, such as the database type, credentials, and collector settings. After installation, configure the initial settings for IBM Guardium, including policies, rules, and reports. This includes defining data sources, configuring data activity monitoring, and configuring compliance policies. Integrate IBM Guardium with other systems, such as SIEM solutions, ticketing systems, and identity and access management systems. This enables Guardium to communicate with these systems, share data, and provide a more comprehensive security solution. Test and validate the installation and deployment of IBM Guardium to ensure that it is functioning as intended. This includes testing data activity monitoring, policy enforcement, and reporting capabilities. Regularly maintain and update IBM Guardium to ensure that it is running at optimal performance and security. This includes performing regular backups, patching and upgrading the software, and monitoring system health. In conclusion, installation and deployment of IBM Guardium involves several steps, including hardware and software requirements, configuration, integration, testing, and maintenance. By following these steps, organizations can successfully deploy IBM Guardium and improve their data security and compliance posture. Configuring IBM Guardium for optimal performance involves several key steps. Here are some notes on how to optimize the performance of IBM Guardium. Ensure that the IBM Guardium server or appliance is configured with sufficient hardware resources to support data collection, processing, and storage. This includes CPU, memory, network bandwidth, and storage capacity. Configure the network settings for IBM Guardium to ensure that it can collect data from all relevant sources without impacting network performance. This includes configuring network protocols, ports, and firewall settings. Data collection settings. Configure the data collection settings for IBM Guardium to ensure that it is collecting the necessary data and minimizing the amount of irrelevant data. This includes setting up data filters, exclusions, and thresholds. Policy configuration. Configure the policies in IBM Guardium to ensure that they are optimized for performance. This includes defining policies with the most relevant data sources and rules, and setting up policy exclusions where appropriate. Data retention and archival. Configure data retention and archival settings in IBM Guardium to ensure that data is stored for the appropriate amount of time and that it is archived in a timely and efficient manner. This includes setting up data retention policies and configuring archival settings. Reporting and alerting. Configure reporting and alerting settings in IBM Guardium to ensure that reports are generated and alerts are triggered in a timely and efficient manner. This includes setting up report schedules and configuring alert thresholds. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance tasks, such as purging old data, optimizing databases, and monitoring system health. This helps ensure that IBM Guardium is running at optimal performance and can detect and respond to security threats in a timely and efficient manner. In conclusion, configuring IBM Guardium for optimal performance involves several key steps, including hardware and network configuration, data collection and policy settings, data retention and archival, reporting and alerting, and regular maintenance. By following these steps, organizations can ensure that IBM Guardium is running at optimal performance and providing the best possible data security and compliance solution. Integration of IBM Guardium with other data security technologies. Integration of IBM Guardium with other data security technologies allows organizations to enhance their overall security posture and gain deeper insights into their data. Here are some notes on how IBM Guardium can be integrated with other data security technologies. SIEM integration. Integrating IBM Guardium with a Security Information and Event Management (SIEM) solution allows for the correlation of data access events with other security events in the organization. This provides a more comprehensive view of security threats and helps prioritize responses. Endpoint protection integration. Integrating IBM Guardium with an endpoint protection solution allows for the monitoring of data access events on endpoints, such as laptops and mobile devices. This provides visibility into data access activities that may not be captured by network-based monitoring. Identity and Access Management (IAM) integration. Integrating IBM Guardium with an Identity and Access Management (IAM) solution allows for the correlation of data access events with user identities and access privileges. This helps identify potential security threats, such as unauthorized access or privilege abuse. Data Loss Prevention (DLP) integration. Integrating IBM Guardium with a Data Loss Prevention (DLP) solution allows for the detection and prevention of sensitive data loss. This provides an additional layer of protection against data breaches and regulatory violations. Cloud security integration. Integrating IBM Guardium with cloud security solutions allows for the monitoring of data access events in cloud environments. This provides visibility into data access activities in cloud-based applications and services. Database Activity Monitoring (DAM) integration. Integrating IBM Guardium with other database activity monitoring (DAM) solutions allows for the consolidation of data access events from multiple data sources, providing a centralized view of data access activities. In conclusion, integrating IBM Guardium with other data security technologies can help organizations enhance their overall security posture and gain deeper insights into their data. By integrating with SIEM, endpoint protection, IAM, DLP, cloud security, and DAM solutions, organizations can improve their ability to detect and respond to security threats and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements.